Okay, this is the 2001 Nissan Xterra SE. This is the issue with these windows. This actually has a new regulator in it. New regulator and motor. And it's really interesting how visibly loose these things really are. So you can see there's some side-to-side movement and forward-backward. It just seems really loose for a new window regulator. What we're going to do is put a new seal in here. $100, $177 from the dealership. You can see these are old, and I know they're already dried and cracked down here in the bottom. In this area down in here. So I bought a new one. I'm going to stick it in and see if this issue is improved. Okay, here's the new seal that's going to go in. I've actually put some splints on it because it was wrapped up pretty tightly in the box, and that caused some wrinkling in those areas. I want this to be as tight as possible when it's fit into the window. But this looks good. In fact, this is really interesting how soft and pliable this particular part of the seal is. This is actually the inside of the door, or it's on the inside of the cabin of the car. This is on the outside. The seal is super pliable. The other one's really hard. So, very excited about this. It does look like a manufacturing defect here. Surprise, surprise. Nissan. Okay, well, but let's go ahead and get her installed. This is after install of this weather seal / run channel window guide. It's a window guide. The window is guided up and down through the use of this, as is doubles as a weather seal. So what's interesting is it's a brand new seal all the way around, and it's a brand new regulator and motor combination. So, as you can already see, this is visibly tighter. There is still a little bit of back and forth, but there's almost no forward-backward, meaning like this direction, which is huge. So, raise the window up a little bit. There's a couple of spots here where it's worse than others. So there's still some back and forth side here a little bit. But this direction, forward back, it's tight. I'm pretty happy with that. That's the best as it's going to get. And I think this must be about as good as it was from the factory. So, and the windows there's no chance that that's going to rattle at highway speeds, which was the original problem. This one, it just would rattle. You get up to about 75 miles an hour. So I am absolutely happy with that. Probably still could grease the edges of it a little bit just to preserve the long and good operation of that. It's probably not necessary. So anyway, the solution here was the weather seal rather than these. I think this probably helps too to replace the regulator and the motor, but if you had to do one over the other, the weather seal and the motor itself isn't bad, like it's not stopping, then I'd say take it out, clean it out, re-grease it up, and put a new, that doesn't cost you anything except a little bit of grease. I'd use the Honda SHIN-ETSU grease and to grease the tracks on this, and then replace the seal. Okay.